In the realm of scientific marvels and groundbreaking discoveries, few stories are as intriguing and mysterious as that of Starlite, a material that promised to revolutionize our understanding of heat resistance. In the 1980s, this extraordinary substance captivated the imagination of scientists and the public alike, yet its story remains shrouded in secrecy and controversy. This is the tale of Starlite, a wonder material that could withstand temperatures that would melt steel, and the enigmatic man behind its creation. The story begins with Maurice Ward, a British hairdresser and amateur chemist. Ward was an unconventional figure in the world of science, having spent much of his career running a successful hairdressing business. But Maurice had a passion for chemistry, a hobby he pursued with fervor in his spare time. Little did he know that his tinkering in the lab would lead to a discovery that would potentially change the world. In the early 1980s, Ward began experimenting with various chemical compounds in his modest home laboratory. His goal was to create a material that could offer unparalleled protection against heat and fire. After numerous trials and countless hours of experimentation, he finally achieved a breakthrough. He had created a substance that could withstand temperatures exceeding 10,000 degrees Celsius without burning, melting, or even charring. He named this miraculous material Starlite. The first demonstration of Starlite's capabilities was nothing short of astonishing. Ward applied the material to an egg and subjected it to the intense heat of a blowtorch. To the amazement of onlookers, the egg remained cool to the touch, and when cracked open, it revealed a perfectly raw interior. This was just the beginning. Further tests showed that Starlite could protect against the heat of a laser beam, and even the temperature of a nuclear blast. News of Starlite's incredible properties quickly spread, attracting the attention of major corporations, military organizations, and space agencies. The British Ministry of Defense, NASA, and various aerospace companies all expressed keen interest in the material. They envisioned a multitude of applications, from protecting spacecraft during re-entry to shielding military vehicles and buildings from extreme heat. The potential uses were virtually limitless. Despite the intense interest, Maurice Ward was fiercely protective of his creation. He refused to divulge the exact composition of Starlite, fearing that large corporations or governments might exploit his invention without proper compensation or recognition. Ward insisted on maintaining control over the material's production and use, a stance that created tension and frustration among potential collaborators. Ward's cautious approach led to a series of negotiations and demonstrations over the years. In one notable test, conducted by the BBC's science program, Tomorrow's World, Starlite was subjected to the heat of a 2,500 degrees Celsius blowtorch. Material performed flawlessly, reinforcing its reputation as a revolutionary heat-resistant substance. However, Ward's reluctance to share the formula continued to hinder large-scale development and commercialization. As the years passed, the mystique surrounding Starlite grew. Maurice Ward remained a solitary guardian of his secret formula, working tirelessly in his lab, while fending off numerous offers and inquiries. He believed that Starlite had the potential to save lives and transform industries, but he was determined to do so on his terms. His dedication to protecting his invention was both admirable and frustrating to those eager to harness its capabilities. One of the most intriguing aspects of Starlite was its simplicity. Ward claimed that the material was made from commonplace ingredients, many of which could be found in any household. Yet, despite its seemingly simple composition, Starlite exhibited extraordinary properties that defied conventional understanding. The exact formula, however, remained a closely guarded secret, known only to Ward and perhaps a few trusted confidants. The potential applications of Starlite were vast and varied. Imagine a world where spacecraft could re-enter the Earth's atmosphere without fear of burning up, where buildings could withstand intense fires, and where vehicles could operate safely in the most extreme conditions. Starlite promised all this and more. For NASA, the material could revolutionize space travel, providing a reliable heat shield for shuttles and other spacecraft. For the military, it offered unparalleled protection for soldiers and equipment in combat zones. Despite its promise, Starlite's journey was fraught with challenges. Ward's insistence on retaining control over the material meant that large-scale testing and production were never fully realized. He received numerous offers from companies and governments, but none met his conditions for collaboration. Ward's distrust of big corporations and his desire to ensure that Starlite would be used for the greater good led to a stalemate. The media coverage of Starlite added to its mystique. Television programs and newspapers showcased its remarkable properties, further fueling public public interest and speculation. Yet, despite the hype, Starlite never moved beyond the demonstration phase. Scientists and engineers were left to wonder about the material's true potential and the secrets behind its creation. In 2011, Maurice Ward passed away, taking the exact formula of Starlite with him to the grave. The material that could withstand the heat of a nuclear explosion remained an enigma, its full potential unrealized. Yet, the story of Starlite continues to inspire and intrigue. Scientists and researchers are still captivated by the possibilities it represented, and some have even attempted to recreate the material based on the limited information available. One of the most fascinating aspects of Starlite is the mystery that surrounds its composition. Ward claimed that the material was made from commonplace ingredients, many of which could be found in any household. However, the precise combination and processing methods remain unknown. This has led to numerous theories and experiments, with some researchers attempting to reverse engineer Starlite based on its known properties and performance. The legacy of Starlite is a testament to the potential of individual innovation and the impact that one person's vision can have on the world. Maurice Ward, a humble hairdresser with a passion for chemistry, created a material that defied conventional understanding and captivated the scientific community. His story is a reminder that groundbreaking discoveries can come from the most unexpected places, and that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey filled with both triumph and mystery. Today, the tale of Starlite serves as an inspiration to inventors, scientists, and dreamers everywhere. It challenges us to think beyond the boundaries of traditional science and to consider the possibilities that lie in uncharted territories. The material itself may remain a mystery, but its impact on the world of science and technology is undeniable. As we reflect on the story of Starlite, we are reminded of the importance of perseverance, curiosity, and the courage to protect one's ideas. Maurice Ward's dedication to his creation, despite the pressures and temptations to compromise, is a powerful example of integrity and vision. His legacy lives on in the minds of those who continue to explore the frontiers of science, driven by the same spirit of discovery that led to the creation of Starlite. In the end, the story of Starlite is not just about a heat-resistant material. It is about the power of human ingenuity and the enduring quest for knowledge. It is a story that will continue to inspire future generations to dream big, to experiment, and to push the boundaries of what is possible. The mystery of Starlite may never be fully solved, but its legacy will forever be a beacon of innovation and the unrelenting pursuit of scientific progress. The story of Starlite also raises important questions about the nature of scientific discovery and the role of individual inventors. In an age where large corporations and research institutions dominate the landscape, Ward's journey reminds us that groundbreaking innovations can come from anyone, anywhere. It underscores the importance of nurturing creativity and curiosity, and of supporting those who dare to think differently. As we continue to explore the potential of materials science and technology, the legend of Starlite serves as both a challenge and an inspiration. It invites us to consider the untapped possibilities that lie within the realm of human imagination and ingenuity. Perhaps one day, another inventor will unlock the secrets of Starlite or create a material even more extraordinary. Until then, the story of Maurice Ward and his remarkable creation will remain a testament to the power of individual vision and the enduring spirit of discovery. In conclusion, the tale of Starlite is a captivating narrative of mystery, innovation, and human determination. Maurice Ward's creation, a material capable of withstanding the most extreme temperatures, continues to intrigue and inspire. His journey from hairdresser to amateur chemist and the extraordinary properties of Starlite remind us of the limitless potential of human ingenuity. As we reflect on this incredible story, we are inspired to embrace our own creativity, to pursue our passions, and to believe in the power of one person's vision to change the world. And so, the legend of Starlite endures, a symbol of what can be achieved when passion meets perseverance, and a reminder that some of the greatest discoveries are still waiting to be made. Maurice Ward's creation may have been shrouded in secrecy, but its story continues to shine brightly, inspiring all who dare to dream and explore the unknown.